So tutto su tutti. I know everything about everyone. No, I actually don't. Today we are going to learn about the word tutto, which can have three main functions in Italian. It can work as an adjective, a pronoun, and an adverb. Iniziamo! Ciao, sono Margherita. Welcome back. Download this episode guide at italianmatters.com/40. We are going straight to the point. Generally, the word tutto in English can be translated as all, whole, everyone, everything. And note that for the last two, everyone and everything, it means that tutto can refer both to people, everyone, and objects, everything. Let's start with tutto as an adjective and make sure that you are pronouncing that double T in the middle, tutto. When tutto functions as an adjective, it will change its ending based on gender and number. For example, c'è tutto il vino. There is all the wine. C'è tutta la pasta. There is all the pasta. Ci sono tutti i cittadini. There are all the citizens. Ci sono tutte le persone. There are all the people. So here we have tutto, tutta, tutti, and tutte. And also you probably notice this, between tutto and the noun that it refers to, we have the article. Tutto il vino. So the construction is verb, in this case c'è, tutto as an adjective, article, il, and the noun vino. When tutto functions as an adjective, the meaning that we get is all or whole. Now, tutto can also function as a pronoun. When it works as a pronoun, it's used to substitute some other word. And as a pronoun, it also changes in gender and number. So let's go back to the previous examples. C'è tutto il vino. There is all the wine. Here tutto is an adjective that goes with the word vino. If I simply say c'è tutto, there is everything, tutto in this case functions as a pronoun that substitutes the word vino. And I think your question here is, how do I know that the word tutto here substitutes the word vino, wine? The answer is context. If I simply say c'è tutto, there is everything, that word everything is a pronoun that can be in place of anything else. It depends on what we are talking about. If we are talking about vino, wine, and I say c'è tutto, then the meaning there is all the wine. It's all here. In the plural form, ci sono tutti i cittadini. There are all the citizens. If I simply say ci sono tutti, the translation is there is everyone. First, note that in Italian it's plural, ci sono tutti. In English it is singular, there is, it's not there are, there is everyone. And in this case, tutti is the pronoun that is there in place of the word cittadini, citizens. So the difference between tutto as an adjective and tutto as a pronoun is that the adjective is always followed by the noun. C'è tutto il vino. Vino is the noun. While the pronoun stands on its own. C'è tutto. I don't have the noun after there because the pronoun is substituting the noun. The similarity between tutto as an adjective and tutto as a pronoun is instead in the fact that we have to change the ending to agree with gender and number. Now to the third function of tutto. Tutto as an adverb means completely. Remember that adverbs never change based on gender and number. So it does not become tutta or tutti or tutte. When tutto works as an adverb, it does not change the ending and the meaning is completely. For example, ieri erano felici. Oggi tutto il contrario. Yesterday they were happy. Today it is completely the opposite. Tutto il contrario. So these are the three main functions that tutto can take in Italian: adjective, pronoun, adverb. Tutto is also used in many set phrases and expressions. For example, prima di tutto, first of all. Nonostante tutto, despite everything. Tutto qua. That's it. Tutto compreso, all inclusive. Tutto a posto, all is well, all sorted. Tutto sommato, all things considered. Quindi oggi abbiamo imparato come usare la parola tutto in italiano. So today we learned how to use the word tutto in Italian as an adjective, as a pronoun, as an adverb, and in fixed expressions. If you want a summary of this episode as a printable guide, download your learning map at italianmatters.com/40. Grazie e ci sentiamo di nuovo giovedì prossimo. Ciao!